Hello guys, we are here in Tel Aviv, in Israel, and exactly we are at Jaffa port. So we are here on the old city behind me. So there is the entrance and the suspended tree of Jaffa port. So it's not really far from where we're staying, and not really far from the city center as well. So let's go and see this beautiful port.
Cold inside, tore my mind, stole my peace. I prayed for ease but feared that my days were over. That emptiness is hard to pass. To fill that gap, you need to open up. All your days are over. Your light to be found now. It's like my engines overflow, and I'm fueled, it's time to go. Oh, we are in this rush, it's love in the fast lane. I feel I'm strong beyond belief, and this is happening to me. I'm shouting, oh, there's a rush, it's love in the fast lane. I finally found my love. I finally found my love. Sometimes I recall, repeat it all, the hopelessness, the bitter taste of fear, that my days were over. But you sent your light to find me. It's like my engines overflow, and I'm fueled, it's time to go. Oh, we are in this rush, it's love in the fast lane. I feel I'm strong beyond belief, and this is happening to me. I'm shouting, oh, there's a rush, it's love in the fast lane. I finally found my love. I finally found my love. I finally found my love. My love, my love. Give it one try, you will see. If you give it away, you'll be free tonight. It's like my engines overflow, and I'm fueled, it's time to go. Oh, we are in this rush, it's love in the fast lane. I feel I'm strong beyond belief, and this is happening.
So guys, we just left the old Jaffa, and now we are heading to Tel Aviv and city center. So old Jaffa, how you can see just behind me, there is a beautiful path that connects Tel Aviv with the old Jaffa area, and beside we have also really good beaches. So now we go and have a look to the city center of Tel Aviv. Let's go.
Sometimes I'm all about the easy way. Sometimes I go for the gold. I never thought you were what my intentions were. Well, correct me if I'm wrong, baby. I want no lines to be blurred, 'cause I can see the light of lust shining, baby, from behind those bedroom eyes. And when I see the light of lust shining, don't you know that I just wanna hear you sigh? Here we are, back at your place. You put on Marvin Gaye. Oh, won't you come a little closer, baby? Tonight's gonna go our way. Yes, I.
So hello guys, today here we are at the citadel of Acre. So this is an old fortification built by the Ottoman, and was built on the foundation of the citadel of Knights Hospitaller. So really nice view, and we're gonna go to explore this beautiful old city.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove, but I guess that's over now. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. Silent treatment, is this what it feels